Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing work. Look at that. Look at that. Where? It's back there. S, okay. Yeah, it's right there. What's here? What was here? There was something here. There's the parking. Look where, look where. Now he's taking that heavy thing off his back. Look at that. Now they're gonna wash them. Oh, come on, let's do something. Come on. Huh. Oh. He's washing him. He's having a good time. Break. Oh, look at those boys. Going home. No. Look at this here. Look at this. Look at this. Taking a shower. Oh. Wow. And we have we didn't see this Caprio. We didn't see this? No, not this one. There was one different one back there. Is it free or is it? I don't know. Check it out. Check it. How long for the guy to come in? 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute he's here? Oh, I want to check that one. It's too late. Or can you walk? Do you have to pay something? Let me see. Car museum. Yeah, car museum is here. I think you go from there. I think you go from the other side maybe. Is the taxis coming here?
Other side.
Okay.